Peter Wanigan, a 100 level mechanical engineering student, and I'm here to talk about safety in a workshop or workstation. First off, what is engineering? Engineering is the practical application of scientific knowledge in the design, building, and control of machines, roads, bridges, etc. Engineers play a vital role in the development of the society in the sense that they contribute by offering assistance to various fields like research, medicine, and assistance. An engineer comprises of certain skills, and such skills include problem solving, designing and molding of the society, transforming the world around, etc. And for all this to be able to be achieved, this engineer must be able to practice these skills in a workshop or workstation. Hence, a workshop is a room or building in which things are made, while a workstation is the desk and computer at which a person works. So, what we're going to be talking about today, safety in the workshop or workstation. Number one, dress code. When working in a workshop, ensure to put on gloves, safety goggles, working boots, or overalls. Do not put on rings, necklaces, watches, or tie, or other things that are other in the list. Number two, when in a workstation, ensure to clean up all spills immediately they are done to avoid electrocution. 3. Ensure you know all the emergency procedures such as the fire escape routes and emergency phone locations or numbers. 4. No food or beverage should be allowed into a workstation.